Hello everyone, welcome to LowCode FX. In this video, we are going to add loading skeleton. So instead of using a rotating loader, we can utilize this skeleton. So we are going to implement that in the admin screen. Over here, we have 3 containers. One is for title and project and user. So let's utilize this container, project container. And here we have a filter container and the gallery container. Okay, let me add a image over here. I need 2 images. Yeah, we need 1 image in the gallery container. Perfect. For these 2 images, I'm going to refer these 2 controls. So this is the width will be this control dot width, and height will be this control dot height. Now let's refer to this icon, control C, width dot width, and height will be dot height. Yeah, so we have exactly same height and width for these controls. And in the gallery, instead of providing the gallery as a reference, I will refer to these cards. So this is nothing but the HTML 1 height and width dot height, and width will be dot width. Perfect. This container I will align it to left. Yes. Okay, now on visible property of this screen, I'm going to set few variables. Yes, and this is for loading skeleton. Okay. The first variable would be set where loading skeleton comma true. The second variable would be where loading skeleton timer. Just to I will add one timer just to put a delay. So in a real time we don't need to put a timer. Based on the data loading, it will take that much time. The timer I will set it to true. Let me just toggle timer variable here. So I will set it false first and true. So yeah, and then once timer ends, I will set it false, this one. Okay, and this variable I will pass it to all the image controls we just added. Okay, add it in the visible property here, and for this as well, this image property. Oh, perfect. And exactly opposite, we will pass it to the other. So play with visible property, pass the same variable, but just make it add a not in front of variable. Copy the same and use it for this gallery visible. Perfect. In this container, let me add one timer. Yes, I will say timer duration as 4. Yep, and this will start. Okay, this will start once our variable SL timer is true. Okay, and on end of this timer I will set var SL as false. Let me hide this timer. Visible property. Yeah, perfect. Now let's test it out. This will be visible for 4 seconds and this. Yeah. Now let me pass SVG in the image properties of all these three. Yeah. Here I have one SVG with me. Okay. Same with this image. Same SVG. Now let's test it out. If I click on this tab, perfect. This will run for 4 seconds. Let me copy this image 2 more times. Now check. This is horizontal one. Okay. Let me just change make it horizontal. Let me add gap of 20. Yeah, let me replace the image property again with new SVG for these 3 images as well. Perfect. Now test. So if I jump from another tab to this will look like this. If you want to learn how to create this SVG, you can check out one of my videos where I have explained how to create SVG from scratch. So instead of adding rotating loader, we can add this loading skeleton, which looks good.